Disable transparency effects. Click Start menu and go to Settings. Select Personalization. Choose Color. Turn off transparency effects. Disable background apps. Go to Start menu. Choose Settings. Select Privacy. Scroll down to Background apps. Turn off background apps. Disable background services. Press Windows key, with R letter on keyboard. Type msconfig. Click OK. Choose Services tab. Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable All. Disable Startup apps. Open Task Manager. Disable all unwanted apps to start up. Change power plan to high performance. Go to Start menu. Choose Power Options. Select Additional Power Settings. Choose Show Additional Plans. Choose High Performance Plan. Turn off notifications. Go to Start menu. Click Settings. Click System. Choose Notifications and Actions. Turn off all notifications. Disable User Account Control. Go to Start. Type UAC. Choose the lowest level. Click OK. Click Yes. Disk cleanup your system files. Double-click this PC icon. Right-click on C partition. Choose Disk Cleanup. Click on Cleanup System Files. Check mark all files to delete. Click OK. Change Advanced System Setting. Double-click this PC icon. Right-click on an empty area. Choose Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Choose Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance. Now checkmark Smooth Edge and Screen Fonts. Click OK. Click OK.